would like to welcome you in this Wizz Abu Dhabi flight to Rome Fiumicino. Our flight today will take approximately 6 hours and 30 minutes. My name is Ikson, I'll be your senior cabin attendant. And today I'll be working alongside Junius, Guillermo, Emma, and Brian. At this moment, you can only ask to take your seat, fasten your seatbelts, there are 3 tables and open your window blinds. Thank you for choosing Wizz Air and enjoy the flight.
Poi ci sono le bottiglie di mamma. فوق الجناحين. 2 exits are behind the wings ومخرجا خلف الجناحين. 2 exits are in the rear ومخرجا في الخلف. In the event of evacuation, it's important to leave your luggage and follow the floor bus marking, which will guide you to the emergency exit. Remove the life vest from the pouch and pull it over your head. اخرجوا سترة النجاة من الكيس وارتدوها بتمريرها من فوق رأسكم. Attach the strap to the hook in the front and pull it tight. اربط الحزام بالمشبك في مقدمة السترة وشدوه. After leaving the aircraft, pull firmly on the red handle for the life vest to inflate. بعد الخروج من الطائرة شدوا على المقبض الأحمر بقوة لتنتفخ سترة النجاة. The life vest can also be inflated by blowing into this tube. يمكن أيضا نفخ السترة عبر النفخ خلال هذا الأسلوب. Any fans life vest should be still inflated inside the aircraft. يجب نفخ سترات النجاة مخصصة للأطفال قبل الخروج من الطائرة. For further information, you will find the safety instruction card in the seat pocket in front of you, which contains the important safety features of these aircraft. لمزيد من المعلومات تجدوا البطاقة إرشادات السلامة في جنب المقعد الذي أمامكم وهو يحتوي على مزايا السلامة المهمة في هذه الطائرة. Thank you for your attention. Thank you cabin crew. شكرا لانتباهكم وشكرا للطاقم المقصورة. Ladies and gentlemen, you may now using your electronic devices in a flight mode only. Laptops and other larger electronic devices shall now be stored.
Of WIZZAIR and the whole crew, a very warm welcome on board on this Airbus A321neo for this flight to Rome. Today with me in the flight deck, Captain Yevgen. We are just waiting at the moment for one more airplane to take off before us, and then we will be fully ready to depart. We expect today a flight time of 6 hours and 35 minutes. And we expect generally good weather along the route and the destination, but we advise you to keep your seatbelt fastened at all time whenever you are seated for any unforeseen turbulence. Once again, thanks for choosing Wizz Air Abu Dhabi for this flight, and I will give you some updates later. Get the crew take off.
gentlemen, once we reach our cruising altitude, we'll start our onboard service. In the seat pocket, you will find our onboard magazine. On the last few pages, the wide selection of drinks, alcoholic beverages, tasty sandwiches, perfumes, and a wide gift selection. We accept cash as well as Visa, MasterCard, debit card, and credit cards. For your comfort, we strongly encourage card payments, particularly contactless method. Thank you for your attention. It can happen anytime. We recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Drinking your own alcohol and smoking is not permitted at any time. This includes e-cigarettes, toiletry equipment, smoke detectors. Please be advised that every attempt to smoke on board will be prosecuted and subject to cancellation of future WIZZAIR flights. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just started our descent to Fiumicino International Airport. Should you have any unwanted items in the seat pocket or around your seat area, please have it ready for collection by the crew. The toilet will be available for another 15 minutes. Thank you for your attention. Please return to your seat, fasten your seatbelt, place your tray tables into fully upright position, open your window blinds, and stow your carry-on items under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. Please make sure that all electronic devices are now set to flight mode, and all larger electronic devices are now stowed away. Please once again review the safety information card located in the seat pocket in front of you, as it contains important safety information in case of emergency evacuation. You must leave all cabin baggage on board. Please take note also that the nearest exit maybe behind you. Thank you for your attention.
Fastening key items to the way until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments to avoid items falling out, causing injury, and check your seat pockets for any personal belongings. Keep your electronic device in flight mode and remember that smoking is only permitted in the smoking designated area outside the terminal. Captain Evgeny Dejv, thank you for choosing WIZZAIR. Wish you a pleasant stay. And for those of you on your return journey, welcome home. Carry crew doors in front.